Dear students, a warm welcome to all or another mathematics solution based video class. Dear students, please share our video to your friends and also drop your suggestions in the comment box and like our videos if you like it. In this video, we are solving a case study problem. This question available in the Cbse sample question paper set 2. Come on children, let's go to the discussion. Dear students, the question is, a road roller is a compact contractor type engineering vehicle used to compact soil, gravel and concrete etc. in the construction of roads and foundations. They also used at landfills or in agriculture. A company started making road rollers 10 years ago and increased its production uniformly by a fixed number every year. The company produces 800 rollers in the sixth year and 1130 rollers in the ninth year. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. What is the company's production in the first year? What is the increase in the company's production every year? And what is the company's production in the eighth year? And what is the company's total production in the first 6 years? So we will go to the solution. Here we can solve this problem with the arithmetic sequence. Let A be the production in the first year and D be the annual increase in the production. Given that the production of sixth year is equal to 800 units, we know that n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values, we get a plus 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 800. That is a plus 5d is equal to 800 or a plus 5d minus 800. This is the first system of equation. According to the next condition, the production in the ninth year is 1130. That is a plus 9 minus 1 into d, that is equal to 1130. That is a plus 8d is equal to 1130 or a plus 8d is minus 1130. This is equation number 2. This is the second system of equations. We have to solve this system of equations. A plus 5d is equal to 800 and a plus 8d is equal to 1130. Subtract the first equation from the second equation. We get a plus 8d minus a plus 5d is equal to 1130 minus 800. That is 3d is equal to 330 or d is equal to 110. Substitute the values of d back into the first equation. We get a plus 5 into 110 is equal to 800 or a plus 550 is equal to 800. A is equal to 800 minus 550, that's equal to 250. Hence, the production in the first year is equal to 250 units and the increase in the company's production in the every year is 110 units. So move on to the third question, company's production in the eighth year. This is also simple. We know that A is equal to 250 and D is equal to 110. We know that N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So substituting all these values, we get A plus A is equal to 250 plus 8 minus 1 into 110. That is 250 A plus 7 into 110. That is equal to 250 plus 770. That is 1020 units. Hence, the company's production in the eighth year is equal to 1020 units. So, move on to the fourth question. The company's total production in the first 6 years. So, here we want to find the sum of the products in the first 6 years. So, we know that the formula sum is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Here first term is equal to A is equal to 250 and the last term, that's A6, that's equal to A plus 5D, that's equal to 250 plus 5 into 110, that's equal to 800 and n is equal to 6. So sum is equal to 6 by 2 into 250 plus 800. That's equal to 3 into 1050. That's equal to 3150 units. So we conclude the final answer is the company's production in the first year is $250. And second question, the increase in the company's production every year is $110. And third, the company's production in the eighth year is $1020. And the fourth, the company's total production in the first 6 years is $3150. That's all in this video, dear children. Please stay tuned for the next video. We are solving all the questions was maximum as possible. Please stay tuned and share this video to your friends. Thank you once again.